Bitcoin is right now in danger, and we see right now we broke under the 4-hourly EMA ribbon. You see it here on the 4-hourly. We broke it under. We had a perfect ride here from the bottom. We had a perfect ride to the upside, and then we saw this consolidation here and saw right now a dump under the EMA ribbon. So what is this right now where we will see Bitcoin? We will see further dump, and is the relief rally over? No, I tell you up front, the relief rally is not over. However, we could see right now Bitcoin dumping, and I show you based on the moving average where or how low we can go, and I show you also in a second my new trade which I opened. So right now, yes, we saw here a dump, and I already also wrote in our Telegram group, which by the way absolutely for free, I wrote you that this could be potentially a short opportunity, right? Yes, we have here another big support. However, we have to zoom out in order to understand what is happening here. And this is where I want to show you. I closing the EMA ribbon right now and show you the EMA 20, 50 and 100 and 200. 200 we don't see here, but we see here the EMA moving average of we see here the red one is 20, 50 and 100. And yes, if we're zooming out, we see very clear that we got rejected here on the EMA 50. We got rejected here perfectly. You see here on the on the monthly time frame, we got here perfectly rejected right now, and Bitcoin is collecting strength to break it through. And this is what I want to see. And the relief rally could go potentially, like I always tell you, here between 27k and 35k, right? Why 27k? Because of this 20 moving average, right? You see here it would be around 27k, and it perfectly fits in. If we are watching here on the weekly, I turn it off right now. Okay, I turn it off. 27k, it's perfectly fitting here with my resistance and support. You see here this green area. You see here support and resistance in 2020, and here we had it in 2022. So I told you here's a big resistance zone, one of the biggest. So therefore I told you that we could here go between 25 and 27k, and if we break 27k, and this is our monthly moving average, if we break it, then we could potentially go even to 35k, right? And why 35k? Because of this white support line, which is from 2020 to support. Here turn support to resistance, and here it would turn into resistance, and then we would see a big dump before the relief rally 2024 2025 starting. So now we are coming to our daily, and I open again at the 20, 50, 100 and 200 moving average, and we see here we perfectly here retesting the 20 moving average. And yes, we see already a wick down, which is very bearish. We see EMA, 4-hourly EMA switch to the bearish, and we see here on the 20 moving average, we see a wick to the downside. So yes, this could be potentially short opportunity for us day traders. It could be a potential short opportunity. I'll show you also in a second my trade. So if we would open here short, I would say the stop loss should be above our 4-hourly moving average, so above 23,400, and our take profit area is here between 21,500, like I told you, or 21,400. Why? Because this purple line, this is a very crucial line. This is the 200 moving average. Risk reward ratio would be here 1.6. You see, it's not the best, but if we break here this 200 moving average, 21,500, the next big price tag would be around 20,050, 20,060, and here you see a very amazing moving risk reward ratio of 3.5, approximately 3.47. So this is amazing. So yes, this could be a potential short opportunity right now, bratans. However, do your own research. This is for day traders only, bratans. And here I show you, I have a short open right now with 58,000 in contract size, which is right now 28% in loss, $280 in a loss, and I'm watching for a price target of 2050 right now. However, and this is where we're coming to our swing traders, because you have two options. Either you go right now long and you make sure that your stop loss on low leverage is under 19,500. This is as low as we could go because we are still in a relief rally. It's very clear we are still in a relief rally in my opinion. However, do your own research. And I have a swing trade also open, which is my long-term swing trade, which is right now still 1,230% in profit, $10,000 500 in profit. So this is amazing. And my other trade is a day trade, right? So I'm watching for this trade to either to reach the price target in the next hours or next 1-2 days, or I got stopped out. So I have to watch. This will happen in the next days or hours. This is what I'm watching. And let us quickly have a look again here on the, wait a minute, why it's not working right now on the daily. Wait a minute, 4 hourly. Yeah, 4 hourly, yes. So like I told you, this could be a short opportunity right now. The price target, I told you 20,050. So yes, however, be very careful, because if we are watching right now on the 1 hourly, what we see here on 1 hourly, this also, by the way, what I showed you in our Telegram group, which is absolutely for free. Das sukaš, blядь, this. Okay, we have here a bullish divergence, because you see the RSI is going down. Maybe I make it blue or something like that, and I turn off all this EMAs. Wait a minute, because it's very confusing. So you see here the price is going down while the RSI, and you see here, is going up. So be careful and watch out for this. So therefore, this is a bullish divergence right now. Watch out for this. However, I mean, right now in the immediate short term, really everything is very, very bearish, because you see this, that we broke below this 4 hourly EMA. This is very bearish. And like I told you, I would set my stop loss here. If you are jumping into a short, I would set it above 23,400 or 23,400 maybe, because so that you are clearly above the EMA ribbon, in case we see small break above the EMA ribbon, fake out, and then to the downside. Yes, this is what I see for Bitcoin right now. However, we are in a relief rally, and yes, we could, how low we could go, it's very clear. I mean, if we are open again the EMA 20,500, then we see that we could go here as low as 2,000. Wait a minute, not weekly. We have to go to the monthly. We could even potentially go to 17,000. I mean, I don't think 17,000. This would be really horrible. I don't think that we could go to 17,000. I think the lowest low where we could go, in my opinion, is around between 20,050 here, 20,050. This is the EMA 100, or to 19,500. This is maximum what I think the cool down which we could see. However, bratans, Ethereum could go as low as $1,500. Is very clear. Here you see it, $1,400. It would be amazing, because then we can buy more. But I don't think, because Ethereum is right now very strong because of the coming Shanghai update in mid-March. I don't think that we will see very much weakening here. S&P 500 is right now very strong. We see here pump also of the S&P 500. We have to see cool down of the S&P 500. Then we see also cool down of Bitcoin. If we see further pump for the S&P 500, then Bitcoin also will pump, because S&P 500 is leading indicator, right? However, what I wrote you in my Telegram group also, bratans, is about FXS, because FXS pumped today even to $14.50. I turn off again the EMA to $14.15, $14.70, and I here. Let me quickly show you here. I wrote you also about, good morning, Bratan, FXS space stroke to our next price level of $16.70. You saw here we were at $14.50 here, and right now we see also cool down. And I hope that FXS will go cool down to $8.50 or $8.40. I don't expect it. I expect it maybe to $11.30 maximum. But what is our price target? Our price target of FXS is still here, because we perfectly reached our price target of $13. This was our price target. I mean, we are in FXS since $6 here. But the next big price target, I mean, when Bitcoin again pump, then the next big price target is around $17. Why around $17? Because at $17 we see here coming a lot of resistance, support, which was previous year support. Here you see this was all support, and this would turn then into a resistance. So here we would see a resistance coming in. So very clear in my opinion, bratans. So if you want to have more information about when I'm buying a new coin, what I do with my short, what I do with my how it called, with my swing trade, you can join the Telegram group, bratans, absolutely for free. How you can join it, here you see in the description. First, make a registration on Bybit, deposit $500 on your Bybit account. You get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. My Discord channel is, you have a crypto course where you can learn about more trading, about crypto, absolutely for free. Also, bratans, for beginners and advanced traders. So make sure you don't missing out on this. And I have also for professionals, if some professionals watching, a professional group, which is a $30 monthly payment, but this is more for professionals. We're doing in-depth report on some altcoins, on new altcoins, several pages long, or we're doing long-term vision on 2025, where to invest, and so on and so on. So check it out, also link in the description, bratans. But for beginners or for mid-experienced trader, the Telegram group and Discord channel, which is for free, is absolutely enough. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.